Good morning, parents. This is Jessica Euler, your child's first grade teacher. Today, I'm going to be introducing to you a new program that we are going to begin using starting the week of September 28th, which was this week. If your child is in cohort A, they have already been introduced to this program at school. And if your child is in cohort B, they will be getting introduced to this program on Friday of this week. This program is a program that we are going to use along with Smarty Ants. Your child should be logging on to Splash Math every day for 20 minutes, just as they do for Smarty Ants. Please keep in mind that I do track the amount of time that children are spending on these programs at home, and they are receiving a grade and points for completing their work at home. So let's get started. Splash Math, once you log your child into their Chromebook and you open up their ClassLink page, again, that's the place where all of the apps are housed, you're going to find an icon that looks like this. It's called Splash Math on our ClassLink page. However, the website did just change over to Splash Learn. So if it's called Splash Learn, just know it is the exact same thing as Splash Math. They just decided to change the name. Now, this is a bit more difficult to access than the rest of our links. For some reason, it does not save the password. So each time you go in, you're going to have to follow these exact steps. So go ahead, begin by clicking on it. It will lead you to the place where we can usually save our login information. However, again, this does not work for this website. So when you get to this page, instead of entering a username and a password here, you're going to have to hit the skip button. Once you hit the skip button, it will direct you to the actual website on the internet. So the first thing you're going to see is the login as page. You're going to choose student since you are logging in as a student. And then you're going to have to enter our class code. Now, keep in mind, you have to do this every single time that you log in, but our class code will always be the same. I have added the Splash Math class code to the back of your child's white home learning binder on that student login page. So you can turn the binder over to the back and find the code right on there. There is no password, it's just a class code. You're going to enter the code of X, V, N, Q, H, R. Once you've done that, it will directly take you into where all the profiles are located. Now, as you can see, all the students from both cohort A and cohort B are located on this page. Make sure that your child enters into their name. I think most of us have different names. We do have a Josiah and a Josiah in our class. I just wanted to point that out. So be sure that you're clicking on your student's correct name. Once you click on a student, it's going to take you right into the website where they're going to have assignments. Students are always going to begin in this pink box all the way here to the left where the check mark is. This is where I'm going to be assigning specific work that matches the work that we're doing in math in the classroom. At this time, there are no pending items simply because I have not assigned any work yet, but I'm going to do that at some point today so you can start seeing some work pop up in this pink box. Students should always do the work in the pink box first, and when they are finished, they are going to go ahead and complete some of the other games that you can see here on the website. I did give students in cohort B an opportunity to check this out yesterday, and again, students in cohort B are going to be taking a look at it on Friday. So they should be a little bit familiar with it already. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out and I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you. Have a good day.